Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial we have learnt about joins, what it does and the type of joins. For new viewers, please refer my last video to understand about joins. Okay. Today we are going to learn about equi join or inner join and outer join, or three type of outer joins. So I have to explain you about these two things first. So let's jump to, I have drawn a diagram here. As you can see, suppose I have two tables, EMP table and department table. Normally what join does, it joins two tables. Alright, so here we are joining two tables, but what the requirement is, suppose when we are doing inner join, so when we do inner join, it means that the output will be the matching rows. Suppose in EMP table we have these many rows, total 6 rows, out of which 5 rows are having department IDs. Okay, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Alright, and here department table is having total 5 rows, out of which all are filled. So if I'll be doing inner join, it means that it will match with these columns. Department ID will match with these columns and it will reflect only the matching rows. Alright, so here as you can see 10, 20, 30 and 40 are present here, and 10, 20, 30 and 40 are present here. So when we will do inner join, we will get only this much data. Okay, when we will do inner join of both tables, we'll get this much data from both the table. Alright, okay, so this is what inner join is gonna help us to get the data. I'll explain you with example as well. Okay, so and what actually right outer join does, if I'm writing this table at the right side, at that time what happens, it will get data from this table, all data from this table and matching data from this table. Okay, in left side outer join, it will get data from all data from left side table and matching data from right side table. And when I'll do full outer join, then it will reflect complete data from both the tables. Alright, let's jump to SQL workshop and learn with examples. That will be better for you and better for me as well to explain you. Alright, so here we have two tables. I'll just do select star from EMP. Let me increase the window size first. Yeah, that's fine, 150%. Okay, so let's do select star from EMP, run this. As you can see, we have total 7 rows. Okay, out of which the last row is not filled, department ID. This is column department ID. We have 4 columns, ID, name, salary and department ID. So department ID of last row is not filled. Okay, and let's do select star from department. Run this query. So see, here we have 5 rows. Okay, this is department ID 30, 40, 10, 20 and 50. Let me do order by 1 and run it again. So as you can see, department ID 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. We have this much data. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we are going to do, first of all we are going to do inner join. Okay, alright, let me select it here. Yeah, so here 7 rows and there 5 rows. Okay, so I'm going to do what I was saying, inner join. Yeah, so what inner join does, I'm doing select, see, I'm writing the table name from EMP, alias name E. I'm giving this table's alias name as E. Okay, and department I'm giving alias name as D. Alright, now I'm going to write the table column names. So I'll write E dot E name, comma, you can write ID as well, no problem. E dot ID means employee ID. E dot E name, E dot salary, then d dot d name means department name. Okay, from this where e dot was a common column, department id is a common column, department id is equal to d dot department id. All right, let's run this query. Yeah, so we got it here. id, ename, salary, and dname is the department name. It was department id in our emp table. All right, so let's see how many columns we got. We got total 6 columns. Actually it was 7 columns in emp table, so we got 6 tables. We are getting matching rows of from both the tables. Okay, so this is what inner join is. Okay, so now what I want to do, left outer join. When I'm saying left outer join, it means you have to write plus mark on the right side. Okay, plus mark on the right side somehow like this under bracket. So this is what native language of letting a native way to call a right outer join in Oracle database. Now run this query. Yeah, so when I'm saying right outer join, see left outer join, we got the unmatched column from that table, from this table. I'll show you from this table. Actually this is having no any department, so here we don't have any department, but we are getting this value when we have not written this. Let me show you again. Run. At that time we didn't get the data. All right, it is only returning matching rows. Now we have written this plus mark, we got data from that value as well. Okay, 7 unmatched row. Okay, now this is what left outer join, and I'll show you right outer join as well, but before that let me do select star from department table, where you will get to know that one of the data is not present in our emp table. See, we have education, operations, research, and sales, and accounts. Okay, accounts having id as 50. Okay, so this 50 is actually not present in our emp table. I'll show you. Run this. Yeah, 50. So we have to check here department id as 50, 20, 30, 40, and yeah, that's it. So 50 is not present. Okay, so now what we want, we have done here. Let me decrease font a little bit. Yeah, that's enough. So what it is returning left outer join, because I'm writing plus sign at the right side. Okay, so we got 7 rows. Now if I'll add this at left side, it means that we are doing right outer join. Enter. As you can see, we have 6 rows, and the last row is getting returned from a department table having no any data. Got it? Okay, got it. I hope you got the concept. Now we want to do full outer join. How we can do full outer join? This is actually a right outer join, and I'll write a left outer join again. Let me copy this, copy and paste it, Control V. Plus, see, this is right outer join, this is left outer join. When I'll combine both using union, then it will become full outer join. Okay, let's run this query. We will get 8 rows now. 8 rows with these 2 columns, with these 2 rows. This is we are getting from emp table, and this is we are getting from department table, which was not actually matching, but we got the result using full outer join. Hope this tutorial is the concept is clear to you, and yeah, that's it for today. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box, and That's it. Thank you to come to watch the tutorial, and yeah, thank you very much.